Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trouble Free. In today's video I'm going to explain how to change the password of Tech Mahindra and also how to resolve the issue of file not opening. See, in your mail they will give you a file and you have to enter the password to open the file. In that file you'll have all your login details like your login ID, your LAN ID, your password, everything you'll have, and then you have to change your password using the credentials given by them. Okay, so in this video I'm going to tell you how to do both the things. So first, how to change the password. Before changing the password, you should know what is your LAN ID and also you should know what is your password given by the system generated password, right? So for that you have to first open the file which is given to you in your mail. First I'll tell you how to open that, and let's go to the mail now. Yeah, see, this is what you get, your name, your date of joining and all those things you'll get. Now see, it's given that the attached file in the PDF format contains your network login credentials, your LAN ID and also your password and other important information to log into your desktop or laptop, right? So for this what you have to do is this, for example, suppose your name is Shiv Shankar Moore, that is what is given, and date of birth is 0411. That means whatever you have given during your registration, during your application, that you have to see. And even though if you give your name and all in the uppercase itself, you have to use lowercase only for the password thing. Okay, SHIV0411. So what's my name? My name is Shravya Reddy and my date of birth is 1808. Okay, 18th of August. So what will be my password? SHRA, first four letters of my name, SHRA, all in lower cases, and my date of birth. For example, I'll again show you. Wait. See, for example, my name is Shravya and that is what I've given, Shravya Reddy I've given, let us take, and my date of birth is 18th of August. Okay, done. So what will be my password now? What are the four letters of my name? SHRA. So this would be my password. Even though I've given my name, the first letter S is capital, but still I have to enter the password as the first letter in the lower case only. Okay, now after SHRA, and what's my date of birth? 18th of August, right? Go in DDMM format only. MMDD for it's not MMDD format, it's date and month format only. So 1808 would be my password. Okay, SHRA, first four letters of my name, and 1808. Or instead of that, let us take, I've given it with my initial, like my initial is K. I've given K dot Shravya Reddy, let us take. So in this case what you have to do, so what will be my password in that case? K dot sh would be my password. Okay, so K dot sh would be my password, first four characters. Done. So let's go to the mail again. So yeah, see if you can see here, s.sm, s.mo, like that. Okay, it depends on the format in which you have given your name. Done. Now after this, if you scroll down, you'll get up here and you have to enter that password here. On entering it here, you will get a file. In that file you'll have your LAN ID and you'll have your password. Okay, in order to access to any of the sites, like any portal of Tech Mahindra, to access to any course, you have to first update your password. Okay, so how do you update your password? By I'll give you a link in the description. Just click on that. You will be redirected to a page. So I'll show you how that page looks like. So just a second. So when you click on the link which I give you in the description, I'll give you the link in the description. As I said, when you click on that, this will open. Okay, this page will open. So here you have to give your email ID, and how that email ID should be? Your LAN ID, not your personal email ID. Your LAN ID which will be given to you in that password secured file, that LAN ID followed by @ techmahindra.com, not your gmail.com. You should type @techmahindra.com. okay, so your LAN ID followed by, suppose your LAN ID is something like AS0 something, you'll have 10 digits LAN ID or something @techmahindra.com should be your email ID. Okay, not .gmail, not at gmail.com. It should be and old password should be the password which is given to you in the password secured file, not in the your own password. Old password should be the one which is given to you in the password secured file, and new password should be the password which you want to put. Okay, so I think you guys are clear about the process. I try to explain everything in detail. So after changing the password, what is the next step, then I'll let you know again. Okay, don't worry about that. So in this LAN ID place, you have to enter your LAN ID which is given to you in the password secured file, and followed by @techmahindra.com, not @gmail.com. okay, be very careful about that. And old password is nothing but the password which is given to you in that file. Below your ID itself you will be given your password, and new password is nothing but whatever password you want to keep, and confirm new password. That's all. Your password will be changed. Done. And after this, what you have to do, I'll again tell you in the next coming video. Done. So that's all. I hope you guys are clear about the video, and thank you for watching my channel. I hope the video was helpful for you guys, and if yes, hit the like button and also share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and also share it with your friends. And thank you for watching the video. Let's meet up soon in the next coming video with another topic.